Data centers, the hidden gold mine in India's digital rush. Every reel you binge on, every online payment, and every AI tool you use, they all have something in common. They all reside in a data center, the invisible infrastructure running our digital world. And while the world obsesses over AI, smart investors are asking who is building the backbone behind it. The real investment story lies in the shadows, in the systems quietly keeping all that data alive. Globally, the data center capacity is estimated to surge from 33.6 gigawatt in 2024 to 78 gigawatt in the coming years. The US still dominates, but the next major wave is rising right here in India. India's data center operational capacity is expected to rise from 977 megawatt in 2023 to a whopping 5 gigawatt by 2030. With just a 1.3 gigawatt data center capacity today, we may be a fraction of the US level, but therein lies a once-in-a-decade investment opportunity. Three forces are driving this boom: digitalization, AI, and data localization. India's digital consumption is exploding, powered by 886 million internet users. The rollout of 5G and the rise of generative AI will triple data demand. And new laws require sensitive data to stay within India, meaning more local data centers must be built fast. And here is where investors should pay attention. The opportunity spans the entire value chain, not just the tech sector. From power and real estate to servers, cooling systems, and connectivity, let's break it down. Companies like Bharti Airtel, Reliance Industries, and Tata Communications are hyperscaling data centers riding their telecom networks. As early cycle enablers, they are building the digital highways that will power India's AI economy. Anant Raj is creating full-scale digital parks, scaling capacity from 28 megawatt today to 307 megawatt by FY32. Their diversified real estate play is evolving into a digital infra story targeting around 9,000 crore rupees in revenue by FY32. Network Technologies is India's go-to company in high-performance computing, supplying core server and AI hardware to data centers and government AI initiatives. As the India AI mission scales, backed by NVIDIA's latest GPU architecture, Network Technologies is positioned at the center of the surge in AI infrastructure demand. Behind every data center is a massive power and cooling ecosystem, and that's where Techno Electric, TD Power Systems, Blue Star, and Schneider Electric come in. With data centers consuming as much energy as small cities, these firms are critical for sustainable, efficient operations. Blackbox designs and integrates data center networks globally with more than $400 million in current data center orders and a revenue target of $2 billion by FY29. Redington India enables hyperscalers by supplying servers and cloud systems, seeing a surge in business as AI demand grows. Altogether, it's a $100 to $125 billion enterprise value opportunity by 2030. From the builders of power lines to the architects of AI servers, India's data center build-out is no longer a niche story. It is an investment opportunity worth looking into.
Investments in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.